Just as there are people who can assemble a watch, there are people who can assemble the three parts of their machine, and the rest of the humanity, though they have the three parts in every one of them, they use them loosely. They eat, drink, and they enjoy and die without knowing how to make a fittings of the instrument. That's the reason why 90% of the people cannot be philosophers. And you cannot expect a Rudolf Steiner or a Rabindranath Tagore or Sri Aurobindo or Albert Einstein from among the 90%. Only those people who know the mechanics of their internal instruments, they can be great and they can do something useful to the world. They can project a dimension of useful thought or do some useful piece of work on the physical plane, or who can construct a wonderful edifice of word in the name of great authors of really useful textbooks, or great poets or literates. So, in one of the three fields, the fellow can project one new dimension which is useful to the world. This he can do only when he knows the precision of the three parts of his instrument. That is, very few are those who know the value of these three parts of the instrument. We use words and sentences and topics in discussion, but many of us speak only for the sake of formality. We go on discussing many things only to kill time, whereas there are people who speak only for the usefulness of speaking. This makes a proper assemblage of the human instrument. And what happens when an electromagnet is properly assembled? Automatically there is magnetism and electricity manifested through the instrument. Previously it was not there in the parts of the instrument, but when once the assemblage is made, automatically there is the manifestation of energy, and wherefrom it has come. It has come from what is called the arrangement of things. It is what we call the assembling of a machine. Every part of the motor car is equally important, but it cannot move or make the motor car move. It can be called engine only when the assemblage is complete, and then it manifests what is called work. Wherefrom it has come into the instrument. It was not there in the different parts of the instrument, but it is the manner in which you assemble the parts that makes the machine. Because if someone assembles it in a wrong way, there is no working of the engine. It should be assembled only in a particular way, and then automatically there is the action.